Today we are going to look into three Docker container commands. They are Docker container top, Docker container inspect, and Docker container stats. So let's start two containers. I'm going to start an Nginx container. The name of the container is Nginx, and we are using the Nginx image to pull the container. Pull the image and run the container. So now it is pulling the image, and now we have the container. This is the ID of the container. Now we are doing the same thing for the Apache. Here I am using some custom ports. We are pulling it from the HTTPD latest image. So I am just using the tag latest for latest image, but if you just leave it like this, it will by default pull from the latest image. So now we have two containers, so let's verify that. So we have two containers called Nginx and Apache container. Now let's see the Docker container commands. So I'm clearing this. So I am just checking the containers if they are running or not. So as you can see that the status is up and they are running. So the first command is docker container top. You can either use the container ID or the container name. So we can use, I can show you both. So if you check here, it shows the processes that are running on the container. We can do the same thing with the container name. So now we can try the docker inspect command on our Nginx container. Docker inspect. This is a container name. You can use container name, also the container ID. So it gives us so many information about the Nginx container. So these are the information which we can use for troubleshooting and all those things. Now our last command is docker container stats. So this is the stats for our container Nginx. So you can see memory usage, net input output, block input output, and PIDs. This is actually a live feedback from the container. If you want, you need to escape from the shell. I think you need to press Ctrl+C. We can try that. We can try the same thing with the Apache. This is exactly the same thing for the Apache container. So there you have it, the three Docker commands. These commands are essential for managing, troubleshooting your Docker containers. Please try them out and see how they can make your Docker experience smoother. Thank you for watching and have a good day.